everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things finance, business, real estate, and investing. And if any of those topics are of interest to you, then please consider subscribing. In today's video, I want to address all of you out there that are working for a corporation, but you are not fully satisfied with the income that you are receiving. You want to make more money while you are still employed. So the question is, how do you do it? How do you make more money while you are working for a company? Because let's be honest, you don't have to be the top dog of a company in order to make a lot of money, in order to be financially free. You can still work a high income job and be able to fund your investments, so over a matter of 5, 10, or even 20 years, you will be completely and entirely financially free. In this day and age, it seems like every other YouTube video is pushing towards a self-employed trend. While that's an awesome thing to do, you don't have to be the CEO of a company. There is no one route to financial success, and that is why I created this channel. I have experienced myself, I have a lot of good friends and good connections with people that are financially successful, and I got news for you, not all of them started off as CEOs. A lot of them started off as working a job, being able to save all of that money, and investing it in the right way and at the right time. In addition to the income that they generated from their jobs, in order to fund their initial investments, they also acquired many skills which were just as important as the income from the beginning. So let's get right into the meat of the video. There are 3 things that you can do in order to increase your income while you are still employed. The first one is you need to pick the right field. There are 3 primary fields within a corporation. The first field is composed of people that manage the product and the customers. Think of people like customer service, the fulfillment department. These are individuals that have a high turnover rate. They are replaceable. They offer nothing new to the company, and they work under policies that are set forth above them. Since their job is very repetitive, there is not much room for creativity or flexibility. It's no wonder that when you call certain customer service departments within certain companies, you always get the response, "Oh, I'm sorry, I can't do that. I will need to transfer you to a department that can help you out further." So all in all, their power within the company is very limited. The second field is composed of people that manage paper. These paper managing people are those that are in the financials department, the legal department, the accounting department. They still follow policies, but there's always room for improvement. There's always new issues that arise, and they have to be more flexible with their power within the company and make some important decisions. They always need to adjust to the new issues. The third field is composed of people that do not manage, they create. They create sales, they create revenue, they create growth for the company. They are the rainmakers. Think of people like the salespeople, marketing people. They are always trying to find new ways of making more money for the company. This is the precise field that you want to be in. You want to be the leading revenue generator for the company. This brings me to the second thing that you should do in order to increase your income while you are still employed. And that is to become more valuable. More value equals more money, not only for the company, but also for you. So it's a win-win scenario for everybody. At this point, you are an asset to the company. You are able to generate sales that no one else does. You are able to bring forth skills that no one else has. You want to be irreplaceable. You want to get results that no one else can get. So when you have this proof, you have this track record, you have numbers in sales, in growth, this is when you take this and you go to your boss and you ask for an increase in pay. So if you want to make $10,000 more annually, for example, you need to think to yourself, how can I add enough value for the company so that that $10,000 seems like a meager amount compared to the increased revenue that you've created? The third thing that you should do in order to increase your income while you are still employed is to expand your skill set. So you need to really ask yourself, okay, if you're good at marketing, for example, you might be good at email marketing, but how about social media marketing? You need to constantly ask yourself, how can I do more? How can I find more avenues of opportunity? And in order to do this, you need to have somewhat of a entrepreneurial spirit, because the top dogs of some companies don't even have the knowledge or the skills that you do in order to be able to expand into new initiatives, new projects, and whatnot. So they are going to be relying on you because they've expanded within their own profession and within their own pay grade, that they've become sort of disconnected from the company and its entrepreneurial mission. So you need to fill in those gaps. You need to bring forth that special skill and be able to create some of these projects for them. That's why they hire people like you in order to be able to make important decisions like this. But in order to make important decisions like this yourself, you need to be growing. You need to be growing as a person and in your own professional development. You need to follow trends and you need to be following the market. In the meantime, these skills will not go to waste, because maybe one day you want to create your own business, your own marketing business, for example. You can take a micro skill and be able to flesh it out and expand that into a business of your own. So the last note I want to leave you with is that it's okay to be working for a company. It's okay to not have your own company right now. Just keep developing those skills. Be able to know how to become more valuable and be in the right field, and you'll be successful yourself. Just keep at it. Keep investing all of that income, and you will be financially free one day as well. Hey you guys, I hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.